In this
Damn
vlog,
minute, what's happening here? In this economy, you need these hacks. But I think this is the most grown-up thing I've done for myself. Welcome to a new vlog. Happy new week. I hope you're doing well as you're watching this vlog. So anyway, this is a new week. Today is the 6th of July, so I'm going to be taking you through the week. By now you can get the gist. Usually do a vlog of 2 weeks. So let me tell you, I'm just from the gym. I died a little bit. So normally when I leave my house messy. My bed is still not made. Everything is everywhere. So we can do the morning routine together. I'm also from the bank, which I'm going to tell you about later as I do my morning skincare. And the groceries or shopping for the weekly groceries I need. So yeah, welcome to the vlog. I hope you enjoy. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Nakumbuka hiyo. Yeah, so let me find something to listen to. I'm going to listen to a podcast as we now tidy up the house, okay?
Anything for the first time. Start a business, play tennis. I'm definitely not.
Seemingly, and now you're going to have to people
Cry, get a gym or commuting for
business ventures.
mass intimate conversation. You actually has the ability to see. There has to be art. I went on tour 2 years ago.
Allowing for them so grateful. I believe in the power of first thing you do.
I'm going to do one guy who did this for what he did. That's what I did to, which is the video of guys talking pathology.
A fantastic answer.
And I didn't have to build something.
I know I said I'll see you when I'm ready, but I just wanted to show you a life hack that was shown by my mom. These are ways, in this economy, you need these hacks, okay? Let me show you. So, sisaina boiled ndomas. And I also want to eat boiled eggs. So instead of just boiling the ndomas, then boiling the eggs, unaweka kila kitu pamoja. So, but then you just have to make sure that you've washed the eggs. Mine are clean because I usually put them in the fridge and they're already clean, okay? So you put them inside. So I'm going to put zaleo na za kesho. Just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Finally done with everything. Now let's do my skincare, which I'd already started. I've already applied the toner and my masks, my sheet masks, not my sheet mask, my eye mask has been there for like maybe 20 minutes. So anyway, the reason I'm actually recording this is I want to tell you the story of how KCB, oh my god, something is very consistent about KCB. They always disappoint me. The first time they really disappointed me, I was in Malaysia and my card stopped working and they couldn't help me. I remember my mom even had to go to a bank in person complaining that their child cannot access the bank. Luckily that time I had DTB card. Anyway, so on the 25th of June, it was on a Thursday, I see a message that $23 has been withdrawn from my KCB, and I'm like, did I change my Claude card, my Claude subscription? Because it said $23 withdrawn, like paid to Anthropic, like something like that. It's here, and I was like, did I change my Claude subscription from Absa to KCB? And I was like, no, I'm sure I didn't. Plus, they'd already paid subscription for June. So that really shocked me, but then I ignored it for some reason because I was busy. I ignored it, and then I was like, okay, no problem. So on Saturday, on 27th June, I see another amount of money, the same exact amount of money, $23 again, has been deducted from my card. And I'm like, wait a damn minute, what's happening here? So I tell myself, let me look at my expenses for last week and this week, because I'm sure I paid my Claude subscription, and there's no way I've paid twice, and Claude didn't even just take my money like that. If you pay for Claude, it comes under Anthropic, right? So I check my finances and I'm like, I paid for Claude already like on 15th or like 16th June. 25th, money has been cut from my KCB, and again 27th, nikapigia KCB simu. On calling KCB, they said, hi, sorry, we can trace the money, but I need to send you a certain form for you to fill. I said, okay, thank you. But then, because of my history with KCB, I told myself, you know what, let me reach out to Claude and tell them about this and see what happens. When I reach out to them, of course, because it's advanced, I'm talking to an AI assistant, we have a conversation, then they tell me that if you're working with the bank, decide whether you're working with the bank or us, because if it's the bank, let them do it. If it's us, let us do it and withdraw the fund and refund the money, which I totally understand. But then at some point, in the conversations with Claude, it was very efficient, by the way. They told me they're transferring me to somebody else. Yeah, proud to say I've never heard from them. Anyway, that's not the whole point. So I tell myself, as I still wait for Claude to talk to me, to have this discussion, let me talk to DTB on Monday. Was it on Monday? On Monday morning, they sent the complete document that I'm supposed to fill. I fill it and send it to them. Guess what they tell me? I send it and even attach the screenshots of the withdrawals of the money. They tell me, hey, you did not send anything that, like, they didn't see any evidence. So kindly, if you have any other complaint, do this and this. I send the field document again, that complaint document. I resend it again and even attach the screenshots of the transactions. Jana, was it on Sunday? Yeah, yesterday. Yesterday, now that's on, what is there? I think on 5th. On 5th, yeah, because today is 6th. 5th July. Oh my God. Guys, it's been July. Yeah. So yesterday on 5th July, they sent me telling me, hi, we can clearly see that yes, they attempted a transaction, but no money was taken from your account. I'm like, what? Excuse me, bro. I know how much money was in my account. So I'm like, you really want to tell me it can show that $23 was successful again? And after that, you're telling me that there's no amount of money that has been deducted. But then after that, 27th June, that night, like now Sunday midnight, like 11:59, Saturday, like 18 minutes later, like 12 minutes later, there were 3 attempted transactions on the card and they still declined. After that, there have been like 2 or 3 more attempts on the card, but they have declined because obviously KCB blocked my card. So now yesterday on 5th July, KCB is telling me that we can see the transactions did not go through, no money is deducted from your account. I'm like, what? Brother man. One thing I know about me is my money. Please stop. So I'm like, KCB, I've had this back and forth with you. I'm not going to rely on these emails. So I texted them and showed them send the transactions again and explain which transactions I mean. Explain on the 25th and on the 27th at this time and at this time. And then today I woke up and said, you know what? After the gym, I'm going to the bank. I went to the bank in my gym clothes. I didn't care. I was like, hi, I'm here. Fraud activities happen on my card. But KCB saying that they cannot track them. So they've tracked them. And now finally, I've been able to leave them with. They have seen it. They were able to track it. That's the whole story with KCB. Surprisingly, in person, they're efficient. I think they have a bad customer service. Because even when I was in Malaysia, when I was talking to the customer service, it was so bad. I don't know if it's like they hire a different company to do customer service and then they have their own people. And it's like they are not integrated. I don't know what happens with KCB. But in person, the service was great. Yeah, so that's it. I've done my skincare. I've ranted to you about this KCB. I'll give you updates on what happens. Let me now get to work. Remove these shenanigans here and start working. Okay? Yeah. So, see you. So, another thing I tried to do, let me put my laptop aside because my laptop is never there for this. As I'm having my breakfast, and now write the things I'm supposed to be doing today and what a successful day will mean to me. So this is my diary. I got it from a friend of mine called Mayahaki. Whoa, I've not talked to him in a minute. Should look for him. So see, Sunday. Let me review what I'm supposed to do on Sunday. Just listen. Send a proposal, learn. Yeah, that one I did. Shoot 2 videos, I didn't. I uploaded a video. Yes. I researched on this. Learn how to use. Yeah, I researched on this. Still not satisfactory though. So you can clearly see that I'm able to see that there are things from Sunday, yesterday that are still pending. So that's what I'm going to transfer to today. But there are a few things I need to do today. So the first one.
The next day.
So we are supposed to be working.
We are working.
Remotely. Today is the day after Wendy and I were working. Today we've just been working also the whole day. Went to the gym, we've been working the whole day. And now I want to make a salad to eat with what I'm eating. I'm having the mincemeat and the kamande bado, but now I want to make a salad to add on top of it. So I'm going to show you real quick. For this salad, you need pineapple, you need carrots, and then raisins. Dice them, grate them, add them. Okay? Yeah, so I'm just going to do it to show you. It's going to be in this bowl, so just wait for the results. Okay? Carrots have been cut. No, carrots have been grated. Yes. Pineapples diced. Then now we pour the raisins. Yes, I wish I had more raisins than this. Yeah, but that's still okay. So let's mix it and see what happens. There it is, ready. See, the raisins are very few. I wish I had more raisins. I'm going to buy more maybe tomorrow, but for now I want to partition it and put it in the fridge. This is really, really nice. You should try it. Yeah, so now I'm done. I can have dinner early enough. I have a meeting in the next 20 minutes. I'm just going to gather what I need, put the rest in the freezer, go for the meeting. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Good morning. How are you? I hope you're doing well. I'm doing okay as well. I am in school to see my nephew's project. He's in grade 3 and had a project, so I'm going to see it. Then hopefully go to Westlands and sit down and work. Okay. Pardon? Oh, I'm done. Now it's time for me to go and make some money. And try make some money.
16 paranoia-filled days later.
Guys, I have such an exciting package. It's been sitting in my boot for like 4 days. Finally, it's in the house and I want us to unbox it together. It's a grown-up thing, so let's just see it together, okay? Yeah. I don't know if from the video you can see, but trust you me, it's not a coffee maker, but it is from Ramtons. It's from Ramtons, that's true. Let's unbox and see what it is. Siamini mimi nafurahishwa na vitu kama hizi. Siamini ni mimi nafurahishwa na vitu kama hizi. What do you mean? Like, hey, hebu niharakishe because niko na delivery nakuja, nataka the time anafika hapa nisirudi kushoot. Okay. Drum roll. Number 1. Oh my god, these are frying pan. Very, very good quality. All of them are from Ramtons, by the way. You know me, I love quality stuff. I would rather not buy something than buy something that's bad quality. So I've been wanting this and I got it. So I think this one I'll be using most. Number 2, this is now a cooking pot, a saucepan. It's written it's a saucepan, but obviously you can cook anything with it. Yeah, this is so good. Let me just remove it so that. Oh. These are the grown-up things that make us happy now. Nobody can tell me anything. I have my life together. I have positive. And that's how you know it's good quality. This one really good. Considering I'm alone, I'll be using this one so many times. Oh, wow. This is good. Okay, next. This one is how many centimeters? It's 20 centimeters. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy. I feel like such a grown-up girl doing this. See, I'll also be using this one very much. Very good size for me. Yeah. Oh my god, I can't believe I have cooking pots. I'm my grown up. Oh my goodness. Hizi vitu hatukuwa tunaelewa mbona wazazi wetu wanafurahisha na zenyewe. And then last one, so 1, 2, 3. Then lastly, the big one, baba yao. This one, all of them are from Ramtons, by the way. This one is 24 centimeters. The other one was 20, so this one is bigger. Definitely big, and I like them because you can even like serve with them in case you have guests. I barely have guests anyway. Designed for lifetime cooking, impact bonding, extra thick base, mirror polished exterior finish, induction and gas compatible. Yeah, we've had your Ramtons. Don't wait till you take a trip to Paris for excitement. Buy yourself kitchen appliances or kitchen items and you'll be happy. Ah, my next meal prep. I can't wait to cook next. I think this is the most grown up thing I've done for myself. Oh yeah, and Niafra was also a grown up thing. But anyway. hmm, Being a grown up nini nini. Let's now count them. 1, 2, 3, and the big pan. 4, which can still cook in. Yeah. That's it. Get them from Ramtons. Ramtons, I'm sure about Ramtons quality. 100% sure. Yeah. Hata unaweza jiona ukijiangalia vizuri utajionea hapa. Anyway, yeah, that's it for my unboxing. I'm really excited about the next time I'll be cooking. Anyway, see ya. Hi, I'm just here to finish the vlog. It was I'm hoping you had a good time. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.